Dear students, welcome to physics class. Our chapter is measurements and units. In this chapter, we have learned about the units of length. The basic unit of length is meter. It is represented by small letter m. Now let us study about the smaller units of length. The smaller units of length are centimeter, millimeter, micrometer and nanometer. There are bigger units of length also. They are kilometer, astronomical unit, light year and parsec. In our daily life, we use different units for measurement. For example, thickness of plastic carry bags are expressed in the unit of micron. That is, in micron, thickness of plastic carry bags are expressed. For measuring the distance between two places, we choose the unit kilometer. That is, kilometer is used to measure the distance between two places. There are other units of length also. For example, for measuring the distance from Earth to any star, we use light year. That is the convenient unit to express the distance from the Earth to the star Tiruvadira is light year. Parsec is another unit of length. 1 parsec is also known as 1 parallelic second. We know that meter is the basic unit of length. There are smaller units as well as bigger units of length also. Let us see the relation between them. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. 1 centimeter gives 10 millimeter. Or 1 centimeter is also expressed as 1 by 100 meter. Similarly, 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 1000 millimeter. Also we have 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 parsec is equivalent to 3.26 light year. 1 astronomical unit is equal to 15 crore kilometer. We know that micrometer and nanometer are smaller units of length. 1 micrometer is represented by 1 mu m. That is, 1 micrometer is equal to 1 by 10 lakh. That is 10 raised to minus 6 meter. 1 nanometer is equal to 1 by 100 crore meter. That is 10 raised to minus 9 meter. Now let us see what is an astronomical unit. One astronomical unit is the average distance from Earth to the Sun. That is, the average distance from Earth to Sun is known as one astronomical unit. Two astronomical unit means 2 times the distance from the Earth to Sun. 4 astronomical unit means the distance between those two objects will be 4 times the distance between Earth and Sun. 1 astronomical unit is approximately equal to 15 crore kilometers. That is, 1 astronomical unit is approximately equal to 15 crore kilometers. Light year is also another unit of length. 1 light year is the average distance travelled by light in 1 year. In vacuum, light travels 3 lakh kilometers in 1 second.